distinguish our keynote speakers, experts, scholars in library and information science, fellow colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's our great honor to have invited very prestigious speakers and to have all of your participation to hold this 2020 First International Workshop for Professional Librarians. It's so wonderful that we could meet online and have many people join us from different continents, from different time zones. I would like to convey to all of you participating in this 2020 First International Online Workshop for Professional Librarians my heartfelt welcome and appreciation. I'm so delighted that because of this online lecture series, we could meet some of our old friends and see many new friends. I especially want to thank our distinguished speakers. Regardless of time zone difference, promise to give lecture on your library and research, making this online conference a great enlightenment opportunity for all of us. From 2009, our National Central Library has launched International Workshop for Professional Librarians program and has been holding the event once every 2 years. We organize this workshop to enhance academic exchange among East Asian libraries and Chinese study institutes. Over the years, topics of the workshop include Sinological Resources Application and Services in 2009, Sinological Resources and Services in 2011, Preservation and Innovation of Facial Collection and Archives in 2013, From Ancient Times to the Present, Preservation of Ancient Chinese Books and the Development of Contemporary Chinese Digital Resources in 2015, Nation's Memories and Archives Management in 2017, and the Development Application of Digital Humanities in 2019, respectively. In order to provide the professional librarians and the librarian-to-be opportunities to explore the successful cases of different libraries in the world, not least of the COVID-19 pandemic this year, we continue to hold the activity, make it a lecture conference. And due to the pandemic, we have web alternative to hold series of online lectures. The topic for this ninth online workshop is Successful Library Cases in the World. This workshop is open to all professional librarians and whoever is interested in this topic around the world. We believe that through this learning and sharing opportunity, it is possible to further broaden professional librarians' horizons. In order to provide the lectures on successful cases from different perspectives and to encourage participation, we brought together the important lectures the National Central Library has held or is going to hold, making them a learning package and will issue certificates to those who have attended most lectures. The theme includes the development of librarians in 2021, cases sharing from National Central Libraries, International Center for Chinese Study Partners, and the dialogue between libraries and the digital humanities. The lectures are scheduled from September 23rd to November 9th. Lecturers from the 9 lectures include library experts, scholars, and experienced practitioners. They are Mr. Roy Keating, Chief Executive of the British Library, Mr. Knut Skansen, Director of Beckman Public Library, Oslo, Mr. Barbara Russo, IBLA President and Director of Bremen Public Library, Dr. Philippos Simpogro, Director General of National Library of Greece, Dr. Xiaoyong Jiang, Associate Professor of Library Administration, also a Chinese Studies librarian at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, Mr. Mark Gilbert, Curator of Chinese Special Collection, Leiden University Libraries, Mr. Inger Lier Bromlist, Librarian and Web Coordinator, NIRS Nordic Institute of Asian Studies, Dr. Neil Ridge, British Library Digital Curator for Western Heritage Collections, and Dr. Alice Gill, Digital Scholarship Librarian at Columbia University Libraries. I hope and believe that in the 9 wonderful lectures, knowledge sharing and idea exchange will refresh your view toward nowadays library and information science development and its promise in making library a growing and ever-changing organism, and will nourish our library in some way when we try to exercise some of the ideas in our practice. Once again, warm welcome for your participation and many thanks for our invited speakers' dedication in making this program a solid one. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Ministry of Education for supporting the National Central Library's international program. This allows National Central Library to promote international exchange, thereby create a new page in involving the international friends to strive for a better future and ultimately benefit the mankind history altogether. Thank you all, and I wish all of you enjoy the very rewarding program National Central Library arranged for you. Most importantly, wish you all stay